Umpisa na raw. Ito po yung bagong accommodation namin. Bagong compound. Kalilipat lang namin kanina. Hindi pa siya tapos. Bali, free pub po. 11 na free pub. Pero dito ako naka-stay sa concrete room. Wala pang, hindi pa naayos. Wala pang kaayusan ang loob. Kasi kalilipat lang namin. Okay naman po. Pero kinabit ko na to mga patungan. Ito lutuan ko. Ito yung rep. Wala pang cabinet kasi install pa bukas.
Yeah, for us, but for these people, it's for us.
Bumili na yung kapatid ko ng beer. Ganda po yung compound, hindi pa lang nangyari. Malaki yung loob ng prefab, parang double siya. So kaya lang mas sobrang laki ng sobrang laki ng kama kaya masikip. Ayan po. May TV rin. Provided po ito ng company. Bathroom. Dito po kukuha lang kayo ng beer tapos ihuhulog nyo dito sa box. Kaya lang huwag nyo dadayain, kailangan yan po yung mga price. Kukuha ka lang, ihuhulog nyo lang yung ron, bayad nyo.
Now instead of this one, so you remove this one, it becomes this.
This one, you can get it.
O yung lutuan. 6 lang na tao kami rito pero ang daming lutuan. Luto ako ng tapa. Umpisa na raw.
TV is connected.
Yeah. TV is connected in the internet also.
I don't have a extension.
I will bring here the karaoke. We make karaoke.
On Sunday. No,
For this one, I don't like.
ganda po yung compound.
I have already Netflix.
This one doesn't even watch football. What this?
Yeah, for them it's okay, but for me, I don't like.